eminyeeto egyera atende ko myoga etari emwe n'emwe neija kutunga za certificate okuruga Makerere University kandi okutendekwa oku nikwija kuba nikuhindura ha Rubanga Cooperative Society.
One extension worker or two who are there, it would take them a minimum of 2 years to reach all the farmers in their sub-counties. And that is why your presence in this place comes as handy.
So these youths will be backstopped by those extension staff for guidance. But it's not that there will be extortion, because services like agro-dealer shops, agro-dealer business is a private business.
Abakugu kuruga mu Minisitiri y'Obuhingi, Oburiisa n'Obujubi nibagira ngu ekizingamizi ihanga nahabwa obukooko buri kutahirira abahingi n'abariisa bitu bakaburwa baburagurra.
So addressing them will give us a quality product and to which we will add value. Are we together? So if we have no good product, that means that the quality at value addition will be compromised. And that is why we are here.
Ebi byona bitirwemu amaani aba Rubanga Cooperative Society bakwatanise n'aba Agritera hamwe na Kabininga Coffee for Agriculture and Bioscience International kandi nabagira ngo eminyeeto niyo erazahura ihanga.
Tuza kubashomesa okubashemereye gukora pest identification, okumanya obukoko oburukurya ebihingwa byona, disease identification and diagnosis, n'uburwire ki obwakwatwa ebihingwa byitu. Then bwanyuma nangashe invasive weeds numwataki ogugurkwija kwita ebihingwa ebitwingira.
James Muhangi or General Manager habwa Rubanga Cooperative Society Limited kandi omuhabuzi wa Agritera ekibine kirukwera abahingi atugambira habwenshi bashazire mu kurete hurreji nkarubanga hamwe na gavumenti.
Itwe nkarubanga turebere icyo kubanza cya byona eminyeeto omukwetaba omukuhinga nimike munonga abo kugira ngo eminyeeto nibenda ibintu byesente za hihi konka twagira ngo reka tubayambe tubashomese bagire icyo bakora umu value chain.
Umwembezi wa Faransa umyaka ya 18 wabeti Napoleon akagira ngo umushira nyishija na byamesha hivi umukazi nyikazi ya byamesha hivi umushima byamesha mushanjo konkitwe eminyeeto nangwa n'abatari eminyeeto mushanga twabyama twarengesha hivi twarengesha hina neza bashima twazirenze kiretera cyazahaza emirimo yitu bantukora.
Aba Rubanga Cooperative Society Limited nibenda ngu borugombo retunga eminyeeto eyo kushomesa nk'omuringo gumwe ogwo kurwanisa obworo mu bantu baburijo kandi eminyeeto eyo nirije kutendekwa neija kuba neikirizo bwa quorum office z'obuhingi n'oburiiso kwetoorora ihanga lyona. Amakuru agagasha kwa Michael Atwachiri.